In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add products to TikTok Shop Showcase. By the end, you'll know exactly where to tap and what to expect, so your chosen products appear right on your profile for viewers to discover. Think of the showcase as a curated shelf on your profile that highlights the items you promote, making it easier for your audience to explore and shop. First, open the TikTok app and make sure you're signed into your account. This works best with the latest version of the app, so if you don't see some of the options I mentioned, updating the app can help. Availability can also vary by region and account type, so keep that in mind. From the home screen, head to your profile. This takes you to your personal space where your videos, bio, and shop-related features live. Once you're on your profile, look to the top right and tap the 3 horizontal lines. That's the main menu icon that opens up your settings and tools. In the menu, choose TikTok Studio. This is your creator dashboard inside the app, and it brings together your content tools, analytics, and monetization options in one place. Inside TikTok Studio, find and tap Product Marketplace. This is where TikTok surfaces products you can work with and share through your content. You'll typically see product cards with images, pricing, and basic details so you can understand what you're promoting. Here's the key part. Every time you share a product from the Product Marketplace using the in-app sharing options, it will automatically be added to your showcase. You don't have to manually place it on your profile. Once shared, it appears in the shop section of your profile so viewers can tap in, learn more, and take action. A couple of quick tips to make this smooth and effective. Choose products that fit your audience and your content style, and use clear, honest descriptions in your videos so viewers understand what they're seeing. Follow TikTok's community and commerce policies and include appropriate disclosures where required. If you don't see TikTok Studio or Product Marketplace, it may be due to region, eligibility, or app version. Checking for updates and reviewing eligibility information within the app can help clarify what's available to you. That's all it takes. Open your account, go to your profile, tap the 3 lines, enter TikTok Studio, open Product Marketplace, and share. From there, your showcase updates automatically, keeping your profile organized and shop ready without extra steps.